Hey friends, Jackie here from Interact. Let's talk about polls and giveaways that you can offer your audience. If you've been an Interact customer for a while, then you probably have seen these polls and giveaway tabs at the top of your Interact account. If you're a newer customer, no worries that you don't see these because you can see from this notice here, we're no longer supporting these features. But that doesn't mean that you can't offer your audience polls and giveaways. To do this, you can still create a quiz, one question quiz, that opts someone into your poll or to your giveaway. Let's take a look at polls first. Here's a sample poll that I shared with my family when I was traveling, asking them where I should go next. You can recreate this same poll in Interact. To do that, click on Create New Quiz and click on Start from Scratch. It probably does not matter which type of quiz you're clicking here. I would just go with personality, because if it's just a poll, you're trying to get some feedback on what people are answering, then it probably doesn't matter what they select to what they see next, meaning there's no specific result page for somebody answering this poll. If that's not the case, then you're probably trying to make a quiz. Check out some of our other quiz videos. I've linked them in the comments below. But let's choose personality to build this poll. And I don't have to worry about the quiz cover page here because I'm going to turn it off. So I'll skip right over this and go to the questions, and I'll type in, where should we travel next? Now you can answer your questions like this in text format, or you can use image answers like I did in the other poll, selecting the image placeholder and then searching our directory of Unsplash or GIFs that you can add into your quiz or your poll. Now, again, it shouldn't matter which answer someone's picking. This is just a poll. We're not sending them to any specific quiz result page, but if you were, you would want to set up correlations. Now, if you're wanting to collect emails from this poll, you'll want to turn on lead generation. This allows you to create an opt-in form so somebody can subscribe after your poll. Click Save and Continue, choose your integration from the list, confirm where you want these subscribers to go in your email system, and when you've completed the integration, either test it out or publish your poll and you can test it out live. Before we grab the link to this quiz, you're going to want to go into the embed code section, and then let's choose this option, Disable Cover Page on Quiz. Now, to grab the link to your poll, you want to select right here, starting with HTTPS all the way through the Q1, copy, and you can see when I use this URL, I'm getting my poll, so someone is able to click it and then subscribe to my email list. If you're wanting to make a giveaway, then you can set it up the same way that you just built a poll, or you can write a full-on quiz, and then on the quiz opt-in form, give them a message about what they're subscribing to. What are they entering to win by including their email address here? So now you can see someone answering this poll is prompted to enter their email for this giveaway.